Hey everyone, this is Aaron with InterVac Design. I'm actually out on the shop floor today, and I want to walk you through the setup on our CondoVac, and then I will go through after the setup. We'll actually show you how to install that on the surface of any wall. You have to decide on how you're going to install this vacuum. Are you going to install it on the wall or in the wall? So in this video, we're going to specifically talk about on the wall. All right, now that we got it all unpackaged, we're going to open the vacuum up by pulling back and out on that little tab. You're going to find a dust bag, some fittings, and the filter. We're going to pull all that stuff out for now. We're going to open up the bag. So why we're using this plastic fitting this time around is because we're going to do a surface mount, and we're not going to actually use it as a central vacuum, but as a standalone wall-mounted vacuum cleaner. So this guy right here, if we lay back the vacuum, so I don't know if you can really see it, but there's a hole right here. Well, we need to plug that hole up. And that's what this actually does. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this fitting, we're going to put it up here, and then there's 4 little screws that you'll see right here that will actually screw in and get that plugged up. So once we install the vacuum bag for the first time, and every other time from there on out, you're going to notice there's 2 openings on this dust bag. So when this is installed up inside there, you're going to take and you're going to press just like so, right? Remember, this is mounted inside. And then you'll take this collar and you'll actually slide that up and lock it in place to snap the door back on. So this is very important. A lot of times customers will miss this, and they won't be happy about their performance of the vacuum. That's because you're letting air, flow into the vacuum where it's not supposed to. So that's supposed to be nice and sealed. So this next portion of the video, we're going to kind of fast forward just to show you exactly what we're doing, but this is how we're mounting to the wall, making sure the bracket is nice and level, and then using the L hook and the J hook underneath to just nice firmly hang that vacuum cleaner up on the wall. So I want to say thanks for taking this time to watch this video. I hope this was educational, showing you how to install your InterVac Pro. And if you like this content, make sure you do us a favor and you like and subscribe below. And guys, I just can't thank you enough. Appreciate it.